Hi everyone, I want to show you how to use VoiceThread. It's something that we've offered at ASUTR for a little while, but I don't know that many people use it. So I'd really like for us to try it this session because it gives us a chance to communicate face-to-face just like we were in the classroom. So let me get to your first VoiceThread assignment to show you how it works. We'll open course content, we'll go to week 1, and here we go, introduce yourself. So you can see here it says if this doesn't open automatically, open introduce yourself here, or you can say click to launch, either one. So here's what it will look like. You can see here the assignment is introduce yourself to the class. Please make all efforts to use both audio and video for this first assignment. You can upload media if you need to, so like if you were making a slide presentation, you could actually upload that. And it's asking you to record at least one comment, so that means your introduction. You will be recording your introduction. So we'll click Start Assignment, and I will create a sample introduction. So I'm going to use, let's see, record audio slide. Let's see, add from computer. Here we go, record video slide. That's the one we want to try to do. It's going to ask to allow use of your camera. Please allow that. You're going to see my bad hair. Get ready for it. Allow the microphone, and there it is. It's so humid today. Okay, so here I am, and I'm going to introduce myself. Let me hide this so you can see the control button down here that says Start Recording. So I'm going to introduce myself. Hi, I'm Ronna Pennington, your instructor this session, and I've been at ASUTR since 2017 full-time. I've been teaching here full-time since 2019 and taught here for several years. I think 2015 was my first year here as an adjunct instructor. I taught oral comm and history classes as an adjunct instructor, also some honors college classes and the student success courses like PCS and SOS. So I've been here for a little while, and I really love online teaching, and that's why I'm so excited about this, because it gives online an option to feel more personable, feel more like you're in a classroom with people. So anyway, I hope you guys will like this. Oh yeah, a little more about me. I've earned my Bachelor of Arts and my Master of Liberal Arts degrees at Henderson State University. My BA was in mass media, and my Master of Liberal Arts was in history. I have a Master of Fine Arts in English from University of Arkansas at Monticello. So I'm married, got a daughter who's graduating tonight, yay, and let's see, my husband is a game warden, so if you kill a deer out of season, do not talk about it on our discussion boards. I'm trying to think, I think that's it. Have a little dog, and since I'll be recording some of these lectures at home, you will likely hear her bark in the background. So I hope you guys enjoy VoiceThread and this format altogether. So now I'm just going to click Stop Recording. And there it is. It's uploading, so people will be able to see this response. Introduce myself. Hi, I'm Ronna Pennington, your instructor. I'm going to click Save and just let it save there. So now you'll be able to see these. You'll be able to see this slide when you log in. I hope that explains everything. Again, please try to use audio and video for this first discussion so we can see each other as we meet and introduce ourselves. And if you have any problems with VoiceThread through the semester, please let me know.